In our test case number 37, we are pasting value for filter by 4 and filter value 4, filter by 5, and filter value 5.
Yeah.
So then you need to go to Tosca. You need to go here to test case number 37. Then you need to check in precondition. No, not precondition. You need to go. Okay, so we have filter by 1, filter value 1. Actually, this name can be the same. That's fine. But you need to check. It's a positive scenario, should be, yeah? 37 was also positive.
No, 38 is negative.
Let me check. So it was. So test case number 37 is positive scenario. Okay, then you need to go here. You see filter criteria we have. And instead of filter by let me see what we did in transaction. Okay, filter by 4, filter value 4. So you need to pay the same value, like filter 4 and filter 5. And here test case name, filter by 4, filter value 4. It's in request fields are blank. Okay, so you need to go here. To request fields are not blank, and you need to make these changes the same, filter 4 and filter 5. You see here? A filter by 1, so you need to make a changes filter by 4. Give me 1 second, I want to check something. So actually, let me try this way, like 37, like filter by. We're gonna leave it like that because the attribute is the same, like this one, correct? And here you just need to make changes for filter by 4, correct? Because it's this value we have in our Excel. We don't have filter by value 1. We have filter by 4 and filter by value 4. And then
and filter by 5.
Yeah, you need to add copy this one. It should be both, yeah. I'm not sure if. Let me try without filter by 5 actually. Let me delete it. Maybe it's gonna work without. We need filter by 5 as well.
Yeah, filter 4 and 5 is given in 37 test cases.
Yeah, let's add it here because it's positive scenario. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but let's see. Filter by 4. Because it's positive scenario enough, it can be a little bit different. Because before this case 38, it was negative scenario. Like negative is easier. Okay, let's. In this Tosca we can just like try different ways, and one way it should work because for me it's also still like a little bit complicated to understand. Doing it right, but it's not. Looks like it's not really hard, but some errors gives me I'm not sure if we're doing it right or not, but we can try like different ways, and we can make some changes manually as well. Okay. You just need to check each of your test cases and make these changes manually to make sure all this value gonna be written from your Excel. The same for positive scenario. We need to add it's in request, like filter by B. Then filter by dash 4. Then like this. Filter. It's correct, yes? How I'm typing?
Filter by value. Value.
Oh, actually, 4. Oh, and B. We should paste here B.
No, it should be value, na? It should be value.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Value. And then one more item we have here. We should add filter by 4. Filter by 5. And filter value.
Just to copy, na? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna copy it. When I'm using like your computer, it's a little bit working not really fast like mine.
Yeah. Sometimes in AWS, copy paste is not working. It's not a sharing a screen. It's a AWS VDI's problem. Sometimes it's not working.
Okay. And in this response, we have only 200. Okay. So let's see.
And message?
For positive scenario, we don't put any message. Just give us 200.
Okay.
Actually, you can validate like some card number. I don't know, like some. In positive scenario, you can also validate, but for negative scenario, we need to give some message.
Okay.
Okay. Verification has failed. It gives 404 not found. Okay, so we need to figure out there are some issues with data. This response is not working. You see, it's not found. When you type this filter criteria here, everything is working fine. But only it gives us 404. So this scenario is not working. Let's try this one, 36. It's 36 is, let's see if it's positive or negative.
Positive.
It's also positive?
Yeah, but it's working, Vita. We can check here because I today I checked it. Na, this test cases is working in SOAPUI and for the same data.
It was working?
Yeah.
So you can do this positive scenario the same way how I did for test case 37, okay? And let me try some negative scenario. Oh, this one. Let's try this one. For tandem user ID blank.
Okay.
What response is given to us?
For negative scenario, you don't need to change any filter criteria, na? You have to change.
Verification was successful. Okay. So for this one, we just need to make it changes in our error message. Test case 35. The condition. So here you just need to make it changes in status code. I mean not code, message. Let's try what error message it should give it to us. Invalid value for filter by. Okay. So for this test case, we need to delete this filter, correct?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because it's negative scenario. It's not should be any filters for negative scenario. And when we go to the buffer request, we need to delete this one as well here. And after that, we need to run it again.
35. Yeah.
So then we need to see what error message we got. So let's see. Verification has failed. 404. No transaction record found to given search criteria.
No.
You see?
But it's
So
showing.
for,
Mm-hmm.
it should be for test case 35. It should be some filter criteria as well, yeah. Even if we go with tandem user ID blank.
Okay, now I got it. I will check it, Vita.
You'll
Actually,
check it? Okay.
yeah.
But let me try